7 most effective workout supplements and how they work. Are you thinking of incorporating supplements into your fitness routine? Yes? No? Maybe? Well, if you are planning to try out supplements for the first time, or if you're someone wanting to understand them better, then keep watching. On the Health Fruition channel, I'll tell you about the best working supplements and why they work. If you want to improve your workout routine, subscribe and stay with us until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get started. I know you're eager to get started and see the results if you're a first-time workout enthusiast like me. It may lead you to seek various dietary supplements to accelerate your workout results. There are so many supplements to choose from when adding the right supplements. Deciding which one is best for you can be difficult. Supplements are an excellent way to accomplish this if you believe your workout could benefit from an extra boost. Recognizing the benefits of supplements allows you to advance your fitness goals. But first, what exactly are supplements? Here's a fun fact. MMA fighters, athletes, and other high-intensity workouts frequently use supplements to promote lean body mass gain. These supplements contain ingredients that can increase muscle mass, body weight, and athletic performance while decreasing a person's body fat percentage. Supplements also improve your body's ability to recover, rest, and respond to training. So if you are feeling actively alive, even if you're extending your push-up a little more or running another mile, part of it is because of the help of the supplements. Another reminder is it is still best to stick with supplements backed by science, both in terms of efficacy and safety, rather than to look good. So what are the benefits of supplements? The ultimate goal of working out is to stay fit and maintain a physique. However, your body needs to recover from the intense workout, and once again, supplements can help. As a result, you won't have to worry about injuring too many of your muscles, bones, or tendons. Here are a few benefits. It increases strength. Working out already enhances your strength, but adding supplements will increase the energy in your body that helps you gain more endurance and strength during training, especially if you are preparing for a competition. Improve your stamina. Long and extensive exercise can cause fatigue. Taking the right supplements helps you feel minor soreness in more prolonged, strenuous workouts. It also stimulates the nervous system. Plus, you'd be able to build your muscles in no time. You're probably wondering, what are the best supplements and what do they do? First on our list is 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is a mixture of beta-lactoglobulin, alpha-lactalbumin, bovine serum albumin, and immunoglobulins, which is the best source of protein that helps build, maintain, and repair muscles when used with your hardcore training and nutrition plan. Individuals who engage in high-intensity resistance training may benefit from increased protein consumption. 2. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Leucine, isoleucine, and valine are the 3 essential nutrients that make up the branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. These amino acids accelerate muscle metabolism and are necessary for building muscle tissue protein. BCAAs help ease muscle soreness and improve muscle growth, but also help boost your appetite and prevent muscle wasting. So the next time you lift, take BCAAs. 3. Creatine. Fun fact, if you're vegan or vegetarian, creatine is your best option if you plan to hop into the supplement routine. That's because you'll respond better to creatine than those who consume meat daily. On top of that, it's safe and it's a naturally occurring substance found in muscle cells. It aids in the production of energy by your muscles during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. 4. Fish oil. Fish oil has 2 essential omega-3 fatty acids, EICOSAPENTAENOIC acid, EPA, and DOCOSAHEXAENOIC acid, DHA. Studies show fish oil's health benefits come from its omega-3 fatty acid content, which protects the heart and brain. It also reduces pain, promotes tissue healing, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Another benefit is that it prevents blood clots and may help you lose a few pounds. Omega-3 can help with weight loss by activating fat-burning enzymes. 5. Caffeine. Do you drink coffee or tea? Aside from smelling good, caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, muscles, and other organs such as the heart by binding to adenosine receptors on cells and inhibiting the activity of adenosine, a sedative-like neuromodulator. This supplement is famous for elevating short-term energy and focus. During the early stages of endurance exercise, caffeine may mobilize free fatty acids as an energy source while sparing muscle glycogen. It also improves endurance, strength, and power in high-intensity workouts. It gives you a rush of energy, and you'll probably want to run longer than you used to. Caffeine, on the other hand, is unlikely to improve performance while also increasing the risk of side effects. This supplement is more likely to benefit endurance-type activities such as running and long-duration activities with intermittent activity such as football than anaerobic short-term bouts of intense exercise such as sprinting or lifting weights. Just be ready to palpitate depending on how black your coffee is. 6. Pre-workout supplement. Pre-workout supplements, also known as pre-workouts, are multi-ingredient dietary formulas intended to boost energy and athletic performance. It improves athletic performance and energy levels before exercise. While pre-workout supplements may appear to provide a quick fix, giving your body the time to build strength and endurance as you progress through your workout session is critical. Remember that sufficient sleep and nutrition are the most important aspects of recovery so you can continue to succeed in your next workout. 7. Post-workout supplement. If there are workout supplements, there must be post-workout supplements, right? Correct. Yes, they exist. As the term says, post-workout supplements are supplements you should consume following your workout. They're a popular and effective product because they help recharge your body and muscles after a strenuous exercise. As a beginner, your main goal is to lose body fat. Carbohydrates consumed after a workout can replenish muscles and aid in recovery. These are only 7 of the best supplements to support your fitness goals faster, but every individual is different, and these tips are your guide if you are interested in optimizing the result of your training. Last but not least, remember to still consult with a doctor before incorporating them into your exercise routine and discuss if there are any potential contradictions if you have existing medical conditions. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have other exercises you want me to talk about, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new videos. Good luck on your fitness journey, and I'll see you next time. Bye.